Alright, so if you click this video, you're probably having the same issue as me where your Volkswagen key fob stopped working. Could have been any of the buttons. My unlock stopped working. So I looked up a couple videos, a couple things online, and I tried the contact cleaner. I saw a guy post a video where he took the back cover off here and on the inside sprayed the whole circuit here with contact cleaner and let it dry. I tried that, didn't do anything for me, so I took the whole thing apart. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of a pain to take apart. Obviously the back comes off really easy, and then all this will be sandwiched in. The circuit will be in there, and then you'll have this white piece that is glued in. Probably took me, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe of just prying them apart because they are glued together. It's a little chewed up, but I mean, who cares? Like it wasn't working anyway. My unlock wasn't working. So once you get this white plastic piece pried out, then you're gonna have the circuit here. So just take that out. Now mine, the problem, focus in on this. So my problem was actually this switch right here, okay? This is just each of these. You have lock, trunk, unlock, and then the one down here is the emergency, you know, like if you want to set your alarm off or whatever. So what I did, this one here was actually the third one down. That was the unlock originally. So I desoldered the bottom one, the alarm emergency one, since I've never used that in my life on any car I've ever had. So you know what the hell. So I took it off, the bottom one. I took that switch off and moved it to the unlock, and then this one. So each one, I don't know if you can hear, but maybe not, but you can definitely feel a click out of those three. But then the one, this one here, that was my unlock that wasn't working, it didn't even click. So I mean, that was obviously the issue. So I moved, like I said, this one up. I just held the battery on the back, on the contacts here. It's your positive, and then this is your ground, your negative here. So I just held it on there and walked outside and tried it, and it works fine. So yeah, that's what I did to fix mine. I just have to put it all back together and glue all that back in. But figure losing the emergency button is better than spending whatever it is, $200-300 for a new fob, because you have to get it done at the dealer, and they have to order it specific, and it's all by your VIN number. So yeah, anyway, hopefully this video helped, and hopefully I was able to explain it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment.